Hello friends, today's topic of discussion is the primary data and the secondary data which is used in the research. Most of the time students and the researcher get confused between what is primary data and what is secondary data. So in this video we will discuss about the concept of primary data and the secondary data. So first is primary data. Primary data is a type of data that is collected by researchers directly from the main sources, while the secondary data is the data that has already been collected through primary sources and made readily available for researchers to use for their own research. Primary data is a real-time data, while the secondary data is a stale data. It means that it has already been collected for some other research purpose. The primary data collection process requires the researcher's huge involvement, while the secondary data is quick and easy to collect. Therefore, researchers who are working on primary data have to spend a long time performing research, recording information, and analyzing the data. This data, while the secondary data, can be collected and analyzed within a few hours when conducting secondary research. Primary data is available in a crude form. Crude form means further processing is required, while the secondary data is available in a refined form. That is, the secondary data is usually made available to the public in a simple form for a layman to understand, while the primary data are usually raw and will have to be simplified by the researcher. As per the sources are concerned, primary data sources include surveys, observation, experiments, questionnaires, focus group, interviews, etc. While the secondary data sources include books, journals, articles, web pages, blogs, etc. Primary data sources that require a deep commitment from researchers and require interaction with the subject of the study, while the secondary data, on the other hand, do not require interaction with the subject of the study before it can be collected. So friends, this is all about the primary data and secondary data and what are the differences between the primary and secondary data. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe. Please comment and subscribe my channel.